Welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into the world of problem solving and sales analysis. Specifically, we'll be tackling Leet Code Question 1070, which presents a fascinating challenge that requires us to think creatively about how we approach data analysis. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, this topic is essential for anyone looking to improve their skills in data-driven decision-making. In this video, we'll take a step-by-step approach to breaking down the problem and understanding the key concepts involved. We'll explore how to analyze sales data, identify patterns, and make informed decisions based on our findings. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of how to tackle complex problems like this one and develop your skills in sales analysis. Let's start by taking a closer look at the problem statement for Leet Code Question 1070. The question asks us to analyze sales data from different stores and identify which products are top sellers across various regions. On the surface, this might seem like a straightforward task, but as we dig deeper, we realize that there are many nuances involved. To begin with, let's consider how we can approach this problem. One possible way is to start by grouping the sales data by region and product. This will give us an initial understanding of which products are selling well in each area. However, simply looking at raw numbers isn't enough. We need to think about how to normalize the data so that we can make fair comparisons between regions. One approach here is to use a concept called indexing. Essentially, this involves creating a benchmark or baseline for sales performance in each region, and then comparing individual product sales against that benchmark. This allows us to see which products are overperforming or underperforming relative to the overall market trend. Now, let's take it a step further. Suppose we've identified some top-selling products across various regions. How can we be sure that these aren't just isolated incidents to build confidence in our findings? We need to look for patterns and correlations within the data. Are there certain product categories or brands that consistently perform well? Are there seasonal trends or geographic hotspots that impact sales? As you can see, this problem requires us to think critically about how to analyze sales data and identify meaningful insights. By using a combination of indexing, pattern recognition, and correlation analysis, we can develop a more comprehensive understanding of which products are truly top sellers across different regions. To summarize the key points from our discussion, when analyzing sales data, it's essential to normalize the numbers by region or product category to make fair comparisons. Indexing is a useful technique for creating benchmarks and comparing individual performance against overall market trends. Looking for patterns and correlations within the data can help us build confidence in our findings and identify meaningful insights. Top-selling products might not be isolated incidents. Instead, they could be indicative of broader trends or geographic hotspots. That's it for today's video on problem sales analysis using Leet Code Question 1070 as a case study. We hope you found this explanation helpful in developing your skills in data-driven decision-making. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to share them with us below. We'd love to hear from you. As always, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on problem solving and sales analysis. Until next time, thanks for watching.